Hello guys, do you know you can get quality and beautiful beadings from China? Yes, you heard me right. So I'll be posting the videos how they look like, and beautiful thing, I'll be posting my suppliers contact for free, so you just need to chat them up and do the needful. Welcome back to Jenny's channel. Here in this channel, talk about how to make legit money online, importation, everything, money, Facebook ads. So if you've not subscribed, join the family, like the video. Now let's go straight. Now when you talk about beadings, as in that's I'm going to be sharing with you pillow manufacturing factories. I'm talking about manufacturers right here, not 1688 contacts. Manufacturers, I know, yes, there are so many manufacturers on 1688, but this one is on WeChat and on WhatsApp. So I'll be showing you I'm showing you on my screen how they look like. So when we talk about beadings, do you know you can make huge money when you come into beading business? Yes, you can. Even I have a friend, what she does is she just supply beadings. Yes, supply to hotels, and they pay her every time. They keep bringing orders, and they refer her to other hotels. You know what that means? So there's money in this bidding business. There is money, especially if you have quality, bringing quality. You can name your price and people will love to buy. Yes, so now if you are into that business already and you don't have a supplier, maybe for example the suppliers you're having, the ones you're bringing, the qualities are not okay, then I got to cover. This supplier sells quality, different beautiful designs. Yes, different beautiful designs. That is why I said no, I must bring it here so that my subscribers can also attest to it. And thank you so much. As in, so many suppliers chatting me up, Jenny CEO, so many customers calling me, and I'm selling, and they're just telling me thank you, and I'm saying I don't even know what to say. Thank you so much for trusting in me. Thanks so much for chatting up with my suppliers and also placing your orders. They are really chatting me and telling me they've seen. So I'm so grateful for that, and thank you again, my exchanger. Jenny, thank you. So people are just chatting me, and the worst part when they just say the price, they don't have any fear, they pay because of how I have mentioned them here on my channel. I'm super grateful, and rest assured I won't bring anyhow contacts to you. Before I bring my contacts, I have already made my own research. So but I will also advise you to also make your research before going into it deep. All right, or you can just buy one to also test run what I'm saying. All right, and no one paid me for this. All right, I'm just dropping it as my own part of, because that is one of the reasons why I created this channel, to also shop suppliers contact for newbies and for everyone to also benefit from it. And you know, now when you pay huge, you also give it out for free. Yes, so but if you want, I don't actually do one-on-one training because of my busy schedule, but you can also view all my videos. If you also want to send me a mail, you can send me a mail via jennyco123@gmail.com, and I'll be glad to answer you. Or you can also drop any message you want in the comment section. Now let's go into that. So beading business is a very lucrative one. Yes, if you're looking into something to start up, you are in the right place. And the beautiful thing about this business, there is no expiring dates. There is no expiring date, so it's so fine. All you just need to do is to get the right suppliers contact, and which is what I will drop here on this video. So don't forget to like the button, subscribe, and make sure you watch to the very end so you can get the supplier's contact. And once you get it, the next thing you do is to chat the supplier. Or when you chat the supplier, just cool down, view their moments, view their WhatsApp status. Yeah, view and make your own inquiries and see that this thing Jenny is saying, let me look. View, then from there you can see the designs you love. The design I love might be different from the kind of design you love. Yes, some people like shouty colors, while some people love color that are just, not shouty. So you see, the kind of design I would love might be different from what you love. That's why when you pick up this, also view their moments. If you have a WeChat account, go ahead and add them on WeChat. If you don't know how to add suppliers contact on WeChat, you can also drop in the comment section. I would like to make little video, even if it's a short, on how to drop suppliers and how to, add up suppliers contact on WeChat. Anything for my supply or anything for my subscribers, I will do that. So once you do that, you'll be able to view their moments. Check the different designs. Any design you see, you can screenshot, keep, screenshots, keep, screenshots, keep. By so doing, you will know the one you want to pick. All right. So once you've already screenshot, pick, or if you're this kind of person that also wants to go into business but you don't have capital, then you can still start it up. How do you do that? Just chat them up. Save all the videos of the designs they have. Once you save the videos of the design they have, what you do next, you start posting. Them. Ask the supplier the price. When you ask the price, you convert. When you convert, you add your own profit. Then start posting. Hey, I sell beautiful. See, it's beautiful. It's on pre-order. It's not available. To be available in 2 to 3 months. Like that. Someone will say, wow, I love this. Then you can give them assurance. The only thing you need to have now is integrity. You don't need to eat that money. This is their hard-earned money. So once they believe in you, they give you the money. The next thing you do, you will now, calculate, arrange yourself, and place order. Once you place the order, the next thing you do, you ask for the video, make sure everything is intact. The next thing you do, you drop your phone number and your name. The name you want on your package. The next thing you do, you send them your shipping company address. Yes, because before they send anything, they cannot just send it from there to your country. Actually, now 1688 now have a new update where you can, from 1688 app, now send and ship out items via sea, via air to your country. Maybe after my 30 days challenge, I will make a video on that and explain every detail and every bit of it. And if you still want that update, write in the comment section. So once you do that, that's all. The next thing, they package it, send to your shipping company, and shipping company tell you that they've received it. When they tell you that, you ask them, okay, thank you, you can ship out to my country. Shaking now. When they ship out, you get a pickup message. That is it. Once you get the pickup message, that is it, my dear. Then you pick your goods up and you distribute to your customers. By so doing, you've even bought without profit. Not without profit. You've bought without capital. And if you don't also know how to do it, I also run the biggest period bulk group. Or just need to go to my description icon, post on that link, click on the WhatsApp link, join my group. So many persons have joined and we are running. We just finished our last batch that will just be shipped this week, and after doing that, we will now start a new batch very soon. October, we're starting a new batch soon. So click on it, join, and you will thank me later and you will be glad you did. All right, enough of the talk. Just look at the supplier's contact, chat, and start doing business with you. Huge profits in your business.